used to be the kid, now they say I'm the man. You get the money, then they change like a cashier, yeah. Come through your block.
Right now it's like 8:30. I just got out of the shower. I might go to Dorney Park. Bye. I'm about to go get them. And yeah. Might be a good day. Might not. We're gonna see. Don't mind the face. I probably look a little bit dirty right now. But you know. Got some jerseys that just came in the mail. You feel me? Or at least that's where I think it's from. So, I'm about to open it up and try it on for y'all. You feel me? Like, open it up, try it on for y'all. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe on this video right here. You know? What y'all do today? I just came back from Dorney Park. That's all I want to know. What y'all do today? Huh? Huh? I got 2 jerseys here, man. Which one I want to open up first? I'm going to open this one first because it's a little bit thinner. A little bit thinner. Let me know. Let me know, man. Name this movie. That's what this jersey's from. Never mind, the movie already named itself, man. The Waterboy. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Number 9. Boucher. Bobby Boucher. Yes, sir. Shot with OG jersey. This is great quality. Shot with OG jerseys, man. You see it. That's where I get all my drippy jerseys from, you know, because I know y'all be seeing drip. Y'all just don't never know where it's from. I just dropped the gem for y'all. That's one of them. But, you know, I'm going to try it on for y'all. So, that's one of them. Next unboxing right now, you feel me? Here we go with the next unboxing right now. Say nah, but can't even get this joint open, bruh. Sheesh. Sheesh. I got a Mighty Ducks jersey, man. Mighty Ducks. I've been waiting for this jersey for the longest. Yes, sir. Mighty Ducks. This joint go crazy, what? Oh my god. This joint go crazy. Yo. Wow, this is a tough jersey, bro. Look at it. Come on now. Look at that. This is stitching too, like you can hear this is good stitching. It's in there, like look at it. Come on now. You don't get no better than this, bro. Come on now. Not fuzzy. So I'm gonna try these jerseys on real quick, you know, then get back to y'all. This my Bobby Boucher jersey, man. Hold up. This my Bobby Boucher jersey. You know, probably wear this joint with a white tee, you know, to cover this. Oh man, what? Come on. Come on. Now y'all know how I get. Now y'all know how you think I won't rock. Come on now. Come on now. You see this? Next jersey. Next jersey. This is the next jersey. But, you know, it look a little crazy up here, right? But this joint is... Oh, you can't even see it. Triple. This jersey, a Mighty Ducks joint. It look a little crazy back here. I'm probably wash it, see what happens. 99 Banks. Now you know how I get. Come on, man. Like, I don't like this part right quick. I'm gonna wash it though, see what happens. Yeah, it just looks like it's stuck up, but once I wash it, y'all gonna see what happens. But y'all know how I get. But stay tuned for another video, and I'm out.
I get down, I'm emotionally scarred. It's so hard to trust a girl with this vest around my heart. It's like they ripping it apart. I need a girl that's finer than some art, and I'm hoping that she would never